Introduce a dear friend's sister. She grew up in front of me, Sara Karim. I have known her since high school. She graduated from Nova Southeastern University, the same school that I went to as well. And Barry University happens to be the same school I went to as well. She has a doctorate in medicine in dentistry, as well as master's in biomedical sciences and bachelor's in biology. She's a board certified dentist, as well as member of American Dental Association and Florida Dental Association. She's a young philanthropist and an entrepreneur. She owns her own business in Coral Springs. As you walk in her office, you'll be greeted something like this. As my patient, you are my top priority. You would be treated as my family member. You will receive a thorough examination with a full explanation of your dental needs. Together, we will fulfill your dental needs and expectation. She's very professional and puts her full in everything she does. She's born and raised in Florida. In her spare times, she enjoys quality time with her family and friends. She loves to travel and learn about all the cultures. She loves to read. Reader, always a good thing. And is highly organized person and a neat freak. That's a very good quality. Husband would be very thankful, I'm sure. She has many volunteer and community service experiences. I don't know where she finds the time for that, such as Give Kids a Smile, International Student and Faculty Services Food Pantry for Lauderdale Project Downtown, IFSF Food Pantry, and MWO Teens Event. Her philosophy is we offer advanced dentistry in a relaxed and caring atmosphere. Our philosophy is to treat our patients like our own family. That's why we treat you with gentle, friendly care and offer you prompt appointments that respect your time. Whatever we can do to make your visit more comfortable and to give you a healthier and more attractive smile, we'll strive to make it happen. As a woman, I have to put this out there. She's a prime example of service and balancing time between family, work, and community, and giving back to community. She's happily married and lives with her husband in Cooper City. I would like Sara to come to the stage and receive her award. And also her amazing dad and husband to join. And a little later, though. Where do we start?
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. It was an honor to be introduced by Tehseen, who was actually one of my biggest role models when I was growing up, along with my sister. They showed me what Muslim females can accomplish in our community. They've shown me what females can be a pillar in our community. Alhikmat, thank you for the honor. I'm humbled. This award is not just for me, but it's also for all the females that are fighting against all odds every day. It takes a lot. As a female, juggling all responsibilities, it's a struggle, but we all make it. And alhamdulillah, it's been a blessing to have my family along the side. My parents, my husband, my sisters, my in-laws, they have supported me through it all. I want to take this opportunity to tell our younger generation, you can do it, especially our females. We are here for you. Come to us, ask us for help. There's a lot of accomplished individuals here with us today. Come to us, we'll be here for you. Okay, we'll help you get there. If you're interested in dentistry, come shadow me. If you have dental needs, come to me, I'll try to make it painless. But we're here, all right? Thank you so much.